The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again. Yes, big up and respect to each and everyone. I want to say big up and respect to my viewers and subscribers within the country that is known as Grenada. Big up. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you. And this video had been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Grenada. I do not know when the video had been recorded. This video shows some things that happened when the police from within the country that is known as Grenada was at a premises or a house that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Grenada, trying to de-escalate a hostile confrontation between a few persons. This video is about a man who is the son of the owner of a house who had been forcefully put out of the house along with at least one other person by other persons. I got the understanding that persons shown in this video, let persons shown in this video know that the owner of the house do not want them in that house. So let's take a look at this video and see if we can get a understanding as to why those persons had been forcefully put out of the house. And let's try to get an understanding as to who are those persons who forcefully put persons from out of that house. I'm not going to try and explain everything that had been shown and said in the video, but I want to make it very clear to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, that this video shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. Some things have been said in this video that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to hear. Some harsh languages have been used in this video. This video shows when a gun had been drawn and at least one person had been assaulted during the hostile confrontation. You see? So before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Get out, Jerry. How dare you, Jerry? How dare you, Jerry? How dare you, Jerry? How dare you?
What's wrong with you?
What? What is going on? What are you doing?
Get these people out of the house.
What are they doing?
That's Mr. Marshall's house.
What are they doing?
Man, that's his house. He wants these people out.
What is going on?
We'll deal with you, you know. Our old man over there, you punch him in the face.
That's not true. That's my father.
Nobody punched him. He's dead.
You're a liar, Jerry. No, Jerry. What are you doing, Jerry? What are you doing, Jerry? Why are you so aggressive? There's a police officer. What are you doing? Police officer. What are they doing? Officer, what are they doing? Look at this. Officer, what are you letting Jerry do? Look at this. But what are these people doing, officer? Why is he insulting my cousin for? What madness is this? Gentlemen, what's going on? Just let us do our... You're not trying to kill me, man. That's my daddy fell over. I've got the ambulance coming.
Who else? Who is the other officer? Officer! What are you doing inside here?
In my father's house.
What?
I'm in my father's house.
He doesn't want you in this house.
What? Get out what?
He doesn't want you in this house.
What are you doing?
You're gonna find out.
What are you doing with a gun?
He doesn't want you in this house.
What's he doing with a gun?
Officer!
What's he doing with a gun?
Get him
What is
out.
he doing with a gun?
Officer!
He's pulling a gun on me.
Officer.
Call the rest.
Him out.
Get lost. Get out.
What are you doing in here?
It's my father's house.
He doesn't want you in here.
I don't want you in there either.
But get out. You'll find out.
Get out.
Arrest
What?
him.
No way,
for
Jerry.
Trespassing.
Get out.
You will find
Get
out.
out, Jerry.
We gonna
Get
kill
out.
all you this
When you're ready, just get out.
You will find
The
out.
police are there. I'm going with the police. My dad's ill. The police are coming. The ambulance is coming. Don't need you here. Just go. What are you doing?
Officer.
No, Jerry.
Officer, I'll say it
No,
again.
leave the officer alone. He's doing his job.
Enter this man's house illegally. He doesn't
I don't know
want
you.
him in his home. Make the arrest.
No
Please.
arrest. You should not be pressuring the officer to do anything.
You'll find out. Get them out of this house now, please.
No, thank you, Jerry. That's my dad, not
He
yours.
doesn't want you in here.
Yes, he does.
Really?
Yes.
You're fucking dreaming. You're gonna find out.
Off you go, Jerry.
Get the fuck out of here.
What kind of language is that? You're lovely. Carry on.
Fuck out of my way.
And don't assault my cousin.
That's an old man.
And look at...
That's an old man.
What are you doing with my bolt cutter? He's got my bolt cutter. Give me my bolt cutter. Who is this guy? What's he doing with bolt cutters? What the fuck is going on? Officer, you doing anything?
Officer, I want these people out of here. Officer, you have an old man, 80 years old, who has complained. He doesn't want him here. He doesn't want anybody here.
Not of sound mind.
He only wants his niece and his nephew here. You understand?
No, he hasn't.
Jackass,
Not
the court
ordered.
doesn't have to order that.
You are not ordering that, Jerry.
The
You're
court.
sweating, Jerry. What? Where you going, Jerry? What are you doing?
Get out! Take your fucking hand up, boy, out.
Where you pulling the gun on me? He's pulling the gun on me. He's pulled a gun on me. What you doing with the gun, Jerry?
You'll find out.
What you doing with the gun, Jerry?
That's fucking right.
What? Get him out!
Get out of this house!
You get out! Officer,
Get
what are you
out
doing?
of this house! Nobody can be arrested.
Officer, arrest him! Fucking hell! How you letting him in? What the hell? And the police are here trying to kill me. Get them!
Officer, no one is to be arrested here.
What do you mean? You just let him kill me? Jesus.
Alright, viewers and subscribers. First thing I try to understand. You see the man shown in the video who pulled the gun during the whole confrontation. Me I wonder who is that man? You know, me I wonder if that man is the caretaker of the building or if that man is a police officer or what. Because me can't understand how the man do so much aggressive things right in front of the police face. You get what me I say to you? The man pull a gun. The police, they're right there and the man pull a gun. Then put back the gun, but the point is the man pull the gun. So me I try to understand, who is that man? Is that man a police? And even if the man is a police, you know what I mean? Certain things not really supposed to happen. No, sir. I see some of the times to my people, some of the times, you know, certain things we see and hear on video might not be the full understanding about the whole situation that the incident is about, shown in the video and viewers and subscribers. You see me? Because according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that at least one person shown in the video accused someone shown in the video of punching an older man in the face. Allegedly, that old man is said to be the owner of the house shown in the video, right? And according to some things that at least one person said in the video, I got the understanding that that person said, no, the old man fell and the ambulance is on its way. See? Now, all of them things that now viewers and subscribers make me really and truly have to start thinking and wonder what really and truly are going, what kind of situation is. See? Listen carefully to the things them said in the video and viewers and subscribers. That's why I mean the kind of person me not just quick for jump to conclusion and say, oh, that man they wrong, that man they should do certain things and blah. But nevertheless, from someone step in our house and start argue certain ways, and if me involved in a situation, then me not go say nothing, no. Worse if a gun go draw, me not none of them the type of confrontation then. Yes, what I say? But then again, now some things when me I hear persons said in that video have me I think. Said at least someone in the video said that a whole man had been punched in the face. See? So all of that now me start to look pan. Jano. Me I wonder what really go on there, so viewers and subscribers. Like, what really happened? Jano. Me I wonder what really happened. Anyways, let me know what you think about the video, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about some of the things that you saw and heard in the video. You see me? You can tell me what you think overall about the whole situation. See? Yeah, man, I just saw me I go left it. So Until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.